Hi, I am Varghese Saragan. I am welcome to our this Mind Master. In my Mind Master, we are talking about the personal branding. Today, our topic is personal branding. As we know, personal branding is a very dynamic field, and the skill of personal branding can be learned. Personal branding can be very easy to learn if you are really interested. Very little time is enough to learn the personal branding. I can help you grow your personal brand and also to identify your talent and also the passion to grow your personal brand. For learning the personal branding, I have created a personal branding course for you. After going through this course, your career prospects will be go up. I am 100% confident about this course. The best part of that, you will make money also. Let us going to this mind master. We are going to the personal branding. In this personal branding, first point is the niche selection. In this niche selection, we can go for your talents, your passion. It is related to money and also the wealth. After identify the niche, you can create a website. Create this website through the WordPress, the CMS content management system. In this website, easily we can create a blog. First of all, we need to create a domain name and also the hostings. The domain name is very apt for your subject. It would be better for your future and also better for your promotions. Then you can purchase the hostings and integrate this domain name and with the hostings. You can take hosting from GoDaddy, Bluehost, or anywhere. It is depends upon your money and also depends upon the speed of the website. After creating the blog in WordPress, you can start the social media. In social media, we have to create the Facebook page, Twitter, and also LinkedIn and Instagram. LinkedIn is the professional network, so we have to do the lot of things in the LinkedIn. Compared to Facebook, LinkedIn is the better option to create the network. Twitter also the best platform. If you want to create the personal branding, you have to create the social media platform to enhance your caliber or your talents. In this era, this is the information age, so everywhere we get a lot of informations. Whatever the topics you are giving to your people, your to readers, it would be the authentic and it's genuine. If it is authentic and genuine, many people will come to your blog and read the blog posts and they will share it, they will comment it. It will help them to increase their future. Public speaking is the most effective method in personal branding. In here, Josh Talk is here, TED Talk is here, but in initial stage we can't enter this Josh Talk or TED Talks. But we have to do the public speaking in small stages. After the sometimes you will get the courageous to speak more in front of the people. If you really interested to increase your personal branding, definitely you should learn about the how to speak in public. What are the skills you have? What are the talents you have? You have to market these talents to the public. Otherwise, public is not aware about your talents. Other point is the video marketing. After the Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine platform. You have to create the YouTube channel and do the vlog post in here. It would be the vlog or it would be the recorded video, but you have to do the video marketing. Definitely after sometimes your personal brand will be the growing. Book publishing is the most effective another tool for the personal branding. If you are publish a book, definitely your brand will be increasing. Common people thinks that normal layman cannot do the publish the book. The other thing is the social forums. There are many social forums in here, so we have to join these social forums to increase your networks. So network is the most effective method to do the personal branding. Networking skill is the most effective tool in personal branding. So everyone should aware about the networking skills. And also the community building is the better platform. As we know, Facebook group is the community, and also Twitter is the community, LinkedIn is the community. Everywhere we can see the lot of community in related to separate subjects. In medical doctors they have separate community, advocates they have a separate community, chartered account they have separate community, business people, entrepreneurs they have separate community. So what are the subject you have handling, what are the topics you are handling, you have to join this community related to these topics. It would enhance you, it would give you the clear idea about the new innovative things of in your subject. In here we have learned about, we have just talked about the social media, website, public speaking, community building, and also networking skills, and blog, and social forums, and book publishing. In this era, every person is eagerly waiting for their personal branding. If you are employee or unemployed, you have to develop your personal branding. Personal branding is the most inevitable things in this world. This is the personal brand. We have to identify the steps how to increase our personal branding, how to develop our personal branding. It would help you to do the your own space in this digital era. I hope that you are understanding the personal branding, the importance of the personal branding, and some points. What are the steps? What are the main steps we have to develop our personal branding? And thank you.